Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update your product descriptions in bulk. Once logged into AdLister, head over to the Products page. Highlight the desired products you want to make changes to the description to. Click on the Edit Product drop-down and click the third option, which is Description. As you can see, a new window will appear with the titles of the products you want to make changes to. Please highlight the box for description, and in the big description box below, you can enter your text. Once finished with the editing, please scroll down to the bottom of the page and save the changes or save and revise. This change will affect all the highlighted products, and all of these products will have the same description. Do not forget to revise the products with the proper option, which is Description/Listing Design. You can also make changes in bulk to the description summary, which is the mobile description for eBay. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to update product descriptions. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.